Good morning, Year 10. I hope you're well and having a lovely day. Please do write the date and the title, article writing, informative newspaper report. For your do now, I would like you to identify the Oreo parts of this statement. So if you can't remember what Oreo stands for, look back to the last lesson, but hopefully you've remembered it, and identify what the different sections are. So pause the video for 5 minutes to do that now. Okay, so we've got them picked out here. We start with an opinion. In the words of David Beckham, the best vacation is time spent at the beach. Then we have our reasons. There are a multitude of different things you can do at the beach. Then we have our examples. For instance, you can go swimming in the azure sea, collect stunning seashells, build a fabulous sandcastle, or maybe even go jet skiing. And then finally, the opinion. So when you plan your next vacation, make sure that you consider a trip to the beach. So today you'll be writing planning an informative article for a newspaper. Next lesson we'll be writing it up. So, bad news, disaster has struck. A ravaging fire has damaged the building site where your construction team has been making preparations for starting to build your theme park. So you've got some decisions to make. Task 1. Decide the following points. What has happened? When did it happen? Where did it happen? Who was involved or witnessed it? Why did it happen and how did it happen? So pause the video for about 5 to 10 minutes to jot down answers to those questions. Okay, for your next task, you need to choose at least 3 witnesses you will interview about for what they know about the incident. Make notes about their observations. These will be incorporated into your newspaper article. They need to help answer what, when, where, who, why, and how. So consider a police officer, a site manager, the village gossip, construction worker, fireman, mayor, or a protester. So pause the video now for 15 to 20 minutes to jot down your ideas for the three witnesses you're going to choose and what exactly they know about the incident. Pause the video to do this now. For your next task, I would like you to read the attached article, UK Embassy Diplomat Found Dead in Beirut. Answer the following questions. What has happened? When did it happen? Where exactly did it happen? Who was involved or witnessed it? Why did it happen and how did it happen? Pause the video for 10 to 15 minutes to do this now. What I'd like you to do is analyse the structure of the article you've been given. What is the most important piece of information? What is next? And then rank all the way down to the least important piece of information. Pause the video to do that now. Okay, so if you read the opening 2 paragraphs of the article, you'll see the whole story is covered. The rest of the article builds on the same points to give further information. What I'd like you to do is create a plan for your own article. You will write it up next lesson. Remember to answer what, when, where, who, why, and how. Consider where you will include witnesses' comments in your article. So pause the video for 15 to 20 minutes to create your plan. And as a final task, you need to think about your headline. Headlines can use a number of different devices, such as end of roads, a pun, they thought it was all over, it isn't anymore, taking a well-known phrase and adapting it, a direct to the point headline, football returns with a respectful salute, or potentially using alliteration, cut the chat, or maybe even exaggeration or hyperbole. The Great Holiday Stampede is coming. Final task, I would like you to create 3 headlines for your article using different devices. Pause the video to the end of today's lesson to do this now. Thank you very much for your work today. I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson, and I will speak to you next time.